What would you do if you were lost in the middle of the ocean? Picture this: a mother dog, adrift in a vast, turbulent sea, struggling to keep her newborn pups above the water. The wind howls, the waves crash, and salt water sprays their small, shivering bodies. Yet, she refuses to surrender them to the merciless ocean. Suddenly, on the horizon, a fishing boat emerges. A rescuer on board spots the tiny, trembling family amidst the churning sea. The clock is ticking, the waves are growing taller, and the desperate cries of the pups cut through the stormy air. With precision and purpose, the rescuer extends a life ring towards them. The mother dog, her strength waning but her willpower unwavering, paddles with all her might towards the lifeline. One by one, her pups are hoisted onto the boat, shaking, but safe. Finally, with a last surge of energy, the mother dog herself leaps onto the deck of the boat. On board, they are wrapped in warm, dry blankets. The mother dog tenderly licks each of her pups, her eyes radiating gratitude and love. The storm passes, and the first light of dawn breaks across the horizon, bathing this small, resilient family in a golden glow. As we reflect on this tale of survival and courage, remember this: courage comes in all sizes. Every life deserves a chance. As we leave the mother dog and her pups resting safely on the boat, the ocean calm once again, we are reminded of the power of determination, the strength of a mother's love, and the unyielding hope that exists in us all.